You open your eyes in the morning and already feel behind. The day hasn't even started, but the weight is there. Quiet, familiar, heavy. You're not falling apart. You're just slowly drifting from the life you actually want. I know that drift. It's not laziness, it's exhaustion disguised as routine. And the worst part? You feel like real change has to be loud, new city, new job, new you. But the truth is gentler than that. A few years ago, I was exactly there. Good job on paper, ambitions in my head, but every evening I'd sit on the couch scrolling, wondering why nothing felt better. Then I started doing tiny, almost embarrassing things. Nothing dramatic, just small, boring moves, day after day. And quietly, without fanfare, my days started to feel like mine again. Today, I'm sharing the 10 boring habits that rebuilt my life, and they can do the same for yours in 2026. They won't make you viral, they won't feel exciting, but they compound like interest in a savings account you forgot you had. Let's begin. 1. Make your bed every morning. It sounds ridiculous, a 60-second task to start the day, but your brain craves completed tasks. It releases a small hit of dopamine for every done. Starting with a win, no matter how small, trains your mind to expect progress instead of chaos. Immediate action. If your bed is unmade right now, pause this and make it. You'll notice the room feels calmer, and calm rooms breed calmer minds. 2. Drink a full glass of water before coffee. Most of us wake up dehydrated. Your brain is 73% water. Drop just 2% and focus, mood, energy all dip. Water first thing gently wakes your system before caffeine shocks it. Immediate action. Place a glass or bottle on your nightstand tonight. Daily micro habit. Drink it slowly while standing in natural light. Environment tweak. Keep a dedicated water bottle you actually like. You'll feel clearer before 9 a.m. Small clarity compounds into sharp decisions all year. 3. Take a 10-minute walk with no phone. Not a workout, just movement. Your body was built to walk. Sitting all day quietly erodes mood and creativity. 10 minutes outside resets cortisol and invites ideas you can't force at a desk. Immediate action. Step outside right after this video. No phone. Daily micro habit. Tie it to an existing routine. After breakfast, after lunch. Environment tweak. Keep shoes by the door and phone on the charger. You'll come back calmer. And calm people build better lives. 4. Write down tomorrow's top 3 tasks tonight. Your brain isn't designed to hold open loops. It rehearses them while you try to sleep. Writing 3 priorities closes the loop and hands tomorrow to the focused version of you. Immediate action. Tonight, write 3 tasks on a sticky note. Daily micro habit. Do it while brushing your teeth. Same place, same time. Environment tweak. Keep a small notebook and pen on your nightstand. You'll sleep lighter and wake with direction instead of dread. 5. Read 10 pages of a real book every night, not your phone. Charge your phone outside the bedroom. A physical book or e-ink reader. Reading trains deep focus in a world that rewards shallow attention. 10 pages is nothing, yet over a year it's dozens of books and a mind that can actually concentrate. Immediate action. Pick one book you've been meaning to read and mark page 1 tonight. Your thoughts will get deeper, your conversations richer, your options wider. 6. Declutter one small surface every day. A drawer, a countertop, a shelf. Clutter is visual noise. It quietly raises stress hormones every time you see it. Clearing one small space tells your brain, I'm in control here. Immediate action. Pick the messiest flat surface in your room and clear it now. Daily micro habit. Do it after dinner. 5 minutes max. Environment tweak. Adopt 1 in, 1 out for new items. Order on the outside slowly creates order on the inside. 7. Practice a 2-minute breathing pause when stressed. Not hours of meditation, just 2 minutes.
Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4, exhale 6. This flips your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and repair. Done repeatedly, it lowers baseline anxiety. Immediate action. Do it right now, 2 minutes. Daily micro-habit. Trigger it every time you feel the chest tighten. You'll stop reacting and start responding. That alone changes everything. 8. Track every expense for 1 week each month. Money stress is quiet but constant. Seeing where it actually goes removes the mystery and the guilt. Awareness is the first step to freedom. Immediate action. Open your banking app and look at the last 7 days. Daily micro-habit. 1 week per month, write down every purchase. You'll spot leaks you never noticed. Plug 1 and compound interest starts working for you. 9. Send one genuine message to someone you care about weekly. A text, a voice note, a thinking of you. Relationships are the only thing proven to predict long-term happiness. Small, consistent contact keeps them alive without needing big reunions. Immediate action. Send one message before this video ends. Daily micro-habit, once a week, same day. Environment tweak. Keep a short list of 5 people you want to stay close to. Loneliness fades. Support grows. Life feels less heavy. 10. Reflect for 3 minutes on one win each night. Before sleep, ask, what went well today? Your brain defaults to threats and gaps. Forcing it to notice wins rewires it towards possibility. Immediate action. Tonight, write or think of one win, no matter how small. Daily micro-habit. Do it right before lights out. You'll end days feeling capable instead of deficient. Here's what no one says out loud. You don't need to become someone new. You just need to stop abandoning yourself in small ways every day. These habits aren't sexy, but they are kind. And kindness towards yourself, quiet, consistent kindness, is the most powerful force there is. In 2026, you won't look back and say, that was the year I went viral or made $1 million. You'll say, that was the year I finally started showing up for myself, quietly, faithfully, every single day. And that will be enough, more than enough. Start with one habit today, just one. The rest will follow. If this landed with you, drop a comment with the number of the habit you're starting first. Hit like if you needed this reminder. Subscribe for more calm, honest conversations. You've got this. I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, better you.